This presentation analyzes participants' responses at the Transportation Assets and Barriers Workshop in Donnellson on March 2nd, 2024. The information in the following slides aims to inform the Donnellson Visioning Committee and Design Team during the design process. Different transportation users typically have different needs and priorities. Older adults want access to local services. Active recreationists want to be challenged while engaging in physical activity. Parents are concerned for the safety of their children. Individuals with mobility challenges want smooth surfaces and safe traffic crossings. Youth want complete sidewalks and safe traffic crossings. We conducted focus groups with people from three of these groups, older adults, parents, and youth, to better understand the transportation system in Donnellson. Focus group participants said that they walk and drive to local places. Parents and youth like to bike around town. Parents drive golf carts and UTVs to get from place to place. Westview Park is a popular destination because it offers several recreation opportunities and picturesque views for bird watchers. The community walking trail winds through attractive woodland while the baseball fields and pickleball courts welcome active recreation. People can also play pickleball and baseball at Mays Park. Community members choose Railroad Park as a walking destination due to the easy access from the Main Street area. All age groups enjoy the community parks and value their social spaces. Residents of all age groups also enjoy the City Trail. They appreciate the separation from traffic, connections to nature, level surfaces, and ease of navigation for children, as well as camaraderie among neighbors who share the path. The Main Street is well liked among focus group participants. Parents in Donnellson value the well-maintained appearance of the area, as well as the connection to Railroad Park. Youth like walking there in the evenings because watching the sunset and connecting to other community members help them relax after school. During the focus groups, participants also identified undesirable features in town. Frequent flooding and standing water in town, particularly around Elm Street, create challenging conditions for residents to navigate around. All groups find the poor condition of current sidewalks, inconsistent sidewalks, and wooden bridges used instead of paved paths to be difficult to navigate. Residents walk in the street due to inadequate pedestrian infrastructure. Many groups voiced concern regarding insufficient lighting, citing this as a reason to avoid walking and running after dark, particularly around the new Loop Trail extension and East Street, and in areas with heavy tree canopy which limit lighting. Several groups are concerned with the road conditions around town, identifying potholes as a nuisance, while parents highlighted the seal coat surfaces on roads as a factor creating navigation difficulty. Residents talked about challenges with heavy and high-speed traffic in town, experiencing speeding issues often on Main Street and Dewey Avenue, and commonly finding congestion at the intersection of Orchard Street and Dewey Avenue. Finally, focus group participants had the opportunity to tell us what changes they want in Donnellson. All groups advocated for the improvement of roadway conditions. Suggestions given include adding more street lighting, repairing potholes, widening East Street, installation of storm drains to mitigate standing water and flooding, and the addition of curbs and gutters to all streets. Many groups also want safe crossings at Main Street, conceptualizing a dedicated crossing at Elm Street or Chestnut Street with flashing pedestrian lights and a painted crosswalk. Residents expressed the need for improved sidewalk infrastructure, desiring smooth and well-maintained routes throughout town. Areas with existing sidewalks, like Elm Street and University Street, were highlighted as areas that could use improvement for pedestrian safety and accessibility. Lastly, residents proposed additional trail development, having specific enthusiasm for a paved perimeter trail to connect various destinations and parks. Burlington Street and Dewey Avenue were specified as potential new trail locations. If you have any questions about this presentation or the community visioning process, contact the members of your local visioning committee or check us out on Instagram, Facebook, or Twitter. A complete set of assessment presentation boards can be found on the Donnellson webpage at www.communityvisioning.org/Donnellson.